What is up, guys? CoinStar 1337 here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. As you know, in the news, the fork is happening in less than a week. August 1st is closing in among us. And right here, I have a picture of the Bitcoin chart. Each candlestick represents 1 week of trading. And what do I expect to see happening in the coming week? We got 7 more days, guys. I'm expecting to see a little bit of a pullback, actually. We had a dip down here and a nice little rally back up to here. And I think in the next 2 to 3 days, we can see Bitcoin pull back to this $2,500 to $2,400 levels. Maybe even get as low as the $2,200 levels. And that would be a good time to reload on those Bitcoins. However, if we were to go below and get back into these $1,800 ranges again, you want to keep an eye out because that is a huge support level. And if we break through there, we're definitely going to retest the $1,600 and then maybe even go all the way back to the $12,000 to the $1,000 range. However, long term, guys, the bull trend for Bitcoin is still intact. Support and long-term trend lines are holding the bull patterns. So Bitcoin is going up. Now let me take a look at this logarithmic chart here and zoom out to the 1 week chart, and you can see that our bull pattern is still intact. Logarithmic scale, we are still going up. Bitcoin is still on its way to $10,000 per a Bitcoin, and that's good news because that's going to drag Litecoin right along with it, and the rest of the altcoins are going to be dragged right along up the scale as well. As you know, earlier this year, I made a video saying that Litecoin was going to hit 50 bucks before the end of the year, and those forecasts came true. But I want to preface that by saying I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am just a, YouTube video maker, and I'm just looking at these charts and seeing what I see. So take this with educational purposes in mind. Now let's take a look at the Litecoin versus Bitcoin ratio and see what's been happening. We had a test of this resistance level here, the 0.021 level, and 3 times here, here, and here, we knocked our heads against that level and we pulled back. But each time we pulled back, you can see here we pulled back, we went back up, retested it again, we pulled back, and I think we're going to get another retest of that level. But if we break through, and not a second before that, if we break through that 0.021 through 0.022 level, that is a golden buy opportunity for the Litecoin versus Bitcoin ratio if you're trading that market. If we zoom out here on the long-term chart, we have a bull trend intact. We have a bull flag forming right here. So if we break those levels, we can go up to the 0.033, maybe even 0.04 on the Bitcoin versus Litecoin ratio. Litecoin versus USD is still on a uptrend, and that's the same here on BTCE. Recently, we have tested and broke out those old highs by barely. So, I would like to see us go back above that. Maybe go up to the $60, $70 level and then see a retest on the way down and turn that into a support level. And then that will be a golden buy signal for the Litecoins. As of now, if you bought in, it's a hold signal. And if you're waiting to buy in, we don't have any buy signals just yet. Although long term, guys, anytime you buy, Litecoin is going up. So if you're planning on holding for 2-3 years, it's a buy signal, okay? But if you want to play it smart, wait for the dips, buy on the dips. Also, good news for Litecoin, there's a new ATM that has opened up in New York. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're in the area where you can go ahead and find out more information on this. And also, I also want to leave you with this article about what Jeff Garzik's plan is for the Bitcoin split and how to save Bitcoin from forking on August 1st. But again, I am a Litecoin fanboy, if you can't tell by now. So I will be leaving you links and everything. And my golden advice, again, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I was an advisor, then my golden advice is to get those lights, because Litecoin is a better coin than the bits. But anyways, again, you know, I could be wrong. But be sure to check out the contest links and the giveaways down below. I'll be doing a Litecoin giveaway. Also, if you want to support this channel and you want to buy Litecoins as well, you can use my referral link down in the description below, and you can change your coins into Litecoins. You don't need an account, and your coins are never stored with an exchange. They go straight to your Litecoin wallet, and also help support the channel out as well. So that's going to conclude this video. I've been CoinStar 1337, and I'm out.